Hey there, so today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup. Like, if you want to go to the market, if you just want to go around, like leaving your house without looking crazy. So, yeah, I'm going in with just a simple brow pencil on my already shaped brows. And to get a clean look, I advise you shape your brows, just a simple clean look. And then I'm going in with my Zikel concealer. I think this is in caramel. Yeah, I have a lot. But before this, I moisturized my face. I added my serums. So yeah, my skin is looking shiny. So I'm gonna use Zikel. I think this is Mocha, or is it one after Mocha, the foundation all over my face. I used a darker one today. It's not Mocha, it's one after Mocha. I really like this foundation. It kind of covered it up for me all over my whole face, and I'm going in to blend that out. I'm not using so much. If you look, I'm using little foundation, and I'm going in again with the concealer because yeah, that's me. I love concealer. I love looking caked and nice, but like for my everyday makeup, I just go in with a little. So I'm going in with this face powder from V Beauty. See, the brands I'm using, I love all of them. I love Zico, I love V Beauty. So I'm just using this powder all over my face. Nothing too crazy. I'll be using another shade. That I think that first shade was chestnut. This is honey. Honey is a little bit lighter. I'm using that under my eyes just to make my face come alive, so I won't scare anybody when I go out. Yeah, and yep, I am going to be using this Kiss Beauty green tea setting spray all over my face. You don't need to use like a killer setting spray for events, but something like then I'm using my beauty blender to dab all of that into my skin just to let it set. And mind you, there's a fan in front of me. So I dipped this brush into the setting spray, and I used it in my highlighter and the corners of my eye, but not too intense. And I'm using a black, I think this is from Zaron, a black eye pencil, just to do a simple wing, not so crazy. Yeah, just a simple wing on my eye. Yeah, it was cute. And I'm using this mascara from Zikel just to go on my eyelashes. I think the lip liner is from Zaran as well. Is a brown. I ended up going in with a darker, like a black on top of it, but not so dark. And this lip gloss from Classic, I'm using it all over my lips. Like boom, like see, like my face is looking alive, cute. You can use this anywhere you want to go. You're good to go, of course. Yeah, Slade and still cute.